Hi guys, Vic here, and in this video you will learn how do we buy points and get straight to the traffic action. So some of you might not want to take action and earn points, and you want to buy some points. That's inside the dashboard. When you come here and check your points, I have all these points here. So there is a button called purchase. Now you click on this and you have some packages here that you can use to earn points right away. So you can buy points, you can check all these packages and just hit pay by PayPal. We accept payments by PayPal, and automatically those points are added in your dashboard. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Just choose your package, and if you want to subscribe on a monthly, we have a discounted offer going on here right now. So this is a monthly package, so it's just 30 bucks, guys. So just use this and just subscribe, and boom, every month the points are going to be added, but this will change very soon. So please take action ASAP if you want to subscribe, or just go and choose a one-time payment from these packages and go get started. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I want to hear your success stories.